We're about ready to make it 12 positive sessions for the Dow in a row, multi-year streak. The record is 13, set back in 1987. Close high, unless we get a big downturn in the next 10 minutes, which we could. Tomorrow will be kind of an historic day. Scott Chronert, first to you. I know you're pessimistic. You got a $4,000 target on the S&P 500. I know no one trades off the Dow. The moves haven't been great. But come on, 12-day streak? More than just a headline or no?
Yeah, I think it's more than just a headline. I think it's a couple of things. We're going to be talking about these mega cap earnings, that's for sure. And that is one hurdle that we thought we had to get over going into the third quarter. The other, I think, is probably as important as the broadening we're getting is you're getting the soft landing narrative beginning to take a little bit stronger hold. And this is leading to some broadening that ultimately supports some of the action you're talking about, Brian.
Yeah, and listen, you got the $4,000 target. What do you see happening in the second half of the year that would send the market down that much? Would it start tonight if we get an earnings whiff from one or both of Microsoft or Alphabet?
We've seen a couple of instances already. Your big seven, if you will. You've had two kind of pretty good quarters that resulted in sell-offs, and so that becomes an issue. But the market seems to be taking that in stride right now. I think what you're going to need to see is in addition to the earnings coming out, we've got the Fed coming up. We probably have another 25 basis points coming at us. We're watching 10-year yields moving higher here. So the issue is there something in the macro circumstance aligned with what's happening in the micro with the big seven that begins to change the narrative here? It's hard to say we're seeing it just yet, but we think that's the risk in the markets in the shorter term.
I'm going to ask a question that has like a 25% chance of me getting fired on the spot. Does the Federal Reserve matter right now?
I think as long as 10 years are below 4%, I think the market's pricing in a peaking of the Fed rate hike cycle.
I mean, that's my point. I mean, as of tomorrow, the Fed decision, we kind of know if it's not, could they change the game, or is the market, what I mean is not that they matter, have we looked past it? It's been 2.5 years of Fed. Is that it?
Yep. Market's looking past it for now, right? And so that's what I'm saying. It's going to you need some incremental shock effect, and it's hard to say where that's coming from, given the way that we're now pushing out the recession risk scenario. So where's that shock effect going to come from? I think it's going to be a materially higher, curve move as you look at that longer duration part of the curve, and that's not very visible yet. But that I think becomes a big risk factor going forward.
All right, Scott Chronert, $4,000 bold, Scott. We appreciate bold. Thank you very much.